Project 41, Autodesk Revit Family Management and Creation. Autodesk Revit Family Creation is a very delicate process. Since we want to take the most of it, we want to use families as much as possible, update them on every chance, and still take the least amount of the possible time to do it. The proposal is to create a unique toolset using existing workflows in Dynamo and custom C# code tools. What if you can create your families and use them to be exchangeable, updatable, and recognized easily with workflows, changing from assemblies to families and vice versa, reading other models to update, refresh, and expand possibilities without ease. This proposal is using coarse parametric families from Autodesk Revit BIM Lot 200-400, Revit 2021 Families Shape-Shifting Creation from Dynamo, and adaptive families with Dynamo 2.6 and Revit 2020 Mastery. There are 3 tiers available for this project to be built upon your advocacy to it. The final result will be a unique tool that can be added to your workflow. By leveraging the power of automation and custom tools, this project has the potential to take your family creation and management processes to the next level, moving from manual creation and management to automated results with improving workflow management. This will enable you to create, update, and manage your families easy and efficiently, making them exchangeable, updatable, and reorganized with ease, and expanding your possibilities without difficulty.